Hi guys, it's me Raymond here again for the portfolio class for Unit 8 I believe, and this is where we're working on the print portfolio, and here I got it all set up here on InDesign, looking pretty good, pretty professional. I've got it on a 4-page spreadsheet, canvas page, whatever you call it, and yeah, they look pretty good. Yeah, I was able to work with the 10 by 8, which was a little tricky because my the way my canvases are set up, like they're either really long, width, or really tall in height, and that's what made it a little bit hard to put it in with the 10 by 8, but I manage, and I think it will look good on paper once if I do get the chance to print it out. And with this kind of thing, the program I never used InDesign, and it looks like a pretty useful program if you're into printing. But I don't know if I'm going to use this anytime soon, but I'm really impressed with that program. So let's go to the PDF for a bigger view, because on the InDesign is all pixely, and you can tune up the resolution, but it's gonna slow it down. So and yeah, it's gonna make the the memory too big, and I don't really want that on my computer right now because I got a lot of stuff. But here on my page, I got my my landscape sceneries with the desert landscape. I should use the mouse. I'm like pointing. The desert landscape, the underneath the pier, the monolith, and the flooded city scene. And yeah, those are my top favorite paintings that I've done all year. And yeah, and here is some concept art. The concept art page. This is really like the only good one here. And what I mean is, because our class, we don't really bother with concept art. We're more with illustrations, pretty much. So right now, this is like the closest thing to concept art I've ever done. But we've done others, but my other concept arts are not as good. At least not as this one. You know, it looks like something out of a concept art book already. And let's see. And then here's the illustration page, and oh yeah, they look pretty fantastic, especially with my hey kitty, especially with my Lovecraft monster going on here, and my chupacabra and tornado scene going around here, and yeah, they're pretty nice illustrations, I have to say. I think I've got others that were my favorites, but these are pretty much the top list of my favorite art pieces. Right, Key? And then here, the last page. This is probably more than 10, but yeah, it is. I think it's like 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13 pieces. Reason why that is because, if I would have just only, I don't know, pick this one or that one, it would just be the one page of, just these guys or landscape. I wanted to show some more concept art. This is like the very beginning of concept art with the thumbnailing stage, and yeah, they look pretty neat. And let's see. I guess I can talk about what I did for the concept art page. This is like for the space cowboy stuff, and with that one, I think you guys, yeah, I showed you my my space cowboy one, but that one wasn't as good as I thought. It was that alien thing I did. The anatomy was so off, but you know, oh well. And this is my landscape scenery for that flooded city deal, and more Lovecraft stuff. You know, the creatures going on here with this big spider tentacle creature and slug monster that's all chained up above some cult members. Pretty creative stuff. And Kitty wants to join in, right, cat? And let's see. Yeah, I think that's about a wrap up. Yeah, I can talk forever about my pieces, but I don't really drone on too long. But yeah, tell me what you guys think about my prep portfolio. Is it pretty good? Should it have I don't know, more things like the the descriptions I should have put in, stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys. See ya. Bye.